Do you really know what's in your food? Do you really know what's in your food? What's in your food? Most of us think we do. Those sneaky nutrition labels can be trickier than you think. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can shop smarter and snack with confidence. Let's start at the top. Serving size. This one's a game changer. It tells you exactly how much the numbers on the label actually cover. If the serving size says half a cup but you eat the whole package, double, triple, even quadruple those numbers. Don't get fooled by tiny servings, they're a classic food industry trick. Next up, calories. This isn't just a scary number, it's the energy you get from eating that serving size. Eat more than one serving? Multiply the calories. It's simple math, but it makes a huge difference. Now onto macronutrients. Protein, carbs, fats. Protein helps you build and repair muscles. Carbs give you quick energy. Fats help you stay full and absorb vitamins. Check these numbers to balance your meals and hit your health goals. But wait, watch out for hidden sugar sodium. Companies love to sneak in sugar disguised as evaporated cane juice corn syrup. Sodium can add up fast, especially in packaged foods. Too much of either, not great for your body. Here's a pro tip. Look at the percent daily value. This shows how much a nutrient in one serving contributes to your daily needs. Aim for higher percentages of fiber, vitamins, protein. Aim lower for saturated fat, sodium, added sugars. Now you know how to decode nutrition labels. Start making smarter food choices today. Your health is in your hands, and every label tells a story. Happy shopping. Now you know how to decode nutrition labels. Start making smarter food choices today. Serving size, calories, macronutrients, percent daily value. Start comparing labels. Choose smarter. Your health is in your hands. Now you know how to decode nutrition labels. Start making smarter food choices today.